how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from your Gmail account on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that there's only one method that Gmail gives us to recover any permanently deleted emails. These are emails you didn't just send to your trash can, but were permanently deleted past that. So to get started, open up the Gmail app on your phone, select the three lines in the top left, and then scroll all the way down and select Help and Feedback. Once Help opens up, just go ahead and search right here and type Missing. Search that. The first option should be Gmail messages are missing. Select that. They're going to run you through some information of why you might have Gmail messages missing, but scroll all the way down to the bottom. And at the bottom, you'll see Recover Your Emails. So they have set up a tool for us in case your account has been hacked and the hacker deleted your emails. So select Recover Your Emails. Make sure you have the right email address there, and then select Continue. And this will attempt to recover any deleted emails from the past 30 days. So if it's beyond that, this tool will not help you and there's no way to recover those emails. But hopefully you got a message different from mine where they were able to recover your emails. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.